who teaches meditation. Would you be surprised if I told you that you are your only best and real teacher? You are the captain of your ship. And as the captain of your ship, you decide how far you want to go on your journey and how fast you want to travel. Your intuition is your compass here. You just have to learn how to read it and how to follow it. If you look for guidance on your meditation journey, look for someone who understands and respects your needs, wishes, background, your lifestyle, your abilities, and your boundaries. Look for that one person that makes the right suggestion just at the right time, instead of giving you only advice or instructions or fixed solutions. If you feel unseen, unheard, or misunderstood, you probably are. Meditation guides are human beings too, like everyone else, and we only can evolve and grow with people we can have healthy and honest relationships with. And of course, you can have more than one meditation guide.